I had a great time. I'm glad that I did it, and if I had the chance to do it again, I will do it. I always wanted to go to Europe, and get the chance to do it through Humber and by myself was really rewarding.
My study abroad experience allowed me to collaborate in different ways, trying to take in different people's ideas and trying to listen to them. So you always need to work collaboratively in school and then also in the professional world.
It made me realize how a valuable team member I can be, and the weaknesses I have and the strengths that I have.
My study abroad experience was about sustainability. Our team was given a 3-block radius, and we had to define within that area what would be the best suitable location to support the community. Our project expands pipes, it expands a whole lot of elements that are there, but also honoring what's already existing. From the input that we got, there was a lot of, there's not a space for us to go hang out outside, or there's a lot of young people. So with these pipes, with our project, we extruded them so they become seats, they become areas for you to hang clothes. It also became a community central area.
So our group project was about a library. They weren't getting enough engagement. We ended up doing like a bench, but on the tree, and every tree had different elements, and every tree also has different colors.
There were a couple of students that I did make connections with. Some of them were from Brazil, some of them were from America, so they were from all over the place, which was fantastic.
Also, I got the opportunity to meet my team outside the Charrette. We went outside the bar, and we had a lot of fun.
I did get the chance to sightsee as much as possible. It is a very jam-packed experience, trying to ride your bicycle around the city or going off to a little site visit while you're downtown having lunch.
I went to a castle, and I also got the opportunity to saw the city at night, and it was really beautiful. I gotta say, I fell in love with the city, with all the things that they have to give.
We were taken on a boat tour, and that took us around the canal, which was really fun. So we got to see a bunch of architecture, very, very interesting. They also took us through the Danish Architecture Museum, and that was really fun. And then there was also some other side quests, as I would call them.
I will encourage Humber students to go, because you get the networking that you don't get in your own country.
The experience that you get, and also the different interactions and the perspectives that you get will change your career over time. So I think that, going out of your comfort zone is really important.
It's really scary to get out of your comfort zone, but once you do it, you're not gonna regret it.